Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Huije Auto Self-Charging Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. With this robot vacuums keep your floor cleaner. Huije Robot Vacuum Cleaners has 2 suction levels, max up to 1800 PA, super thin body with 2.95-inch accesses under chairs and tables easily. Good for keeping up with pet hair on the hardwood floors. No tangled hair or damage to the floor. The robotic vacuum cleaner with a tangle-free pet hair care technology focuses on picking up hairs, dirt, debris on hard floors. Does not clog with dog or cat hair like the units with a rotating underbrush. Multiple clean modes for your prefer. The robotic vacuum cleaner supports 4 clean modes including auto cleaning, random cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning. Built-in anti-collision infrared sensors help the robot vacuum cleaner detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Long life battery and automatically recharge. The robot vacuum cleaner built in 2000 mAh has an amazing runtime of over 3 hours on low and up to hit 120 minutes on high. Provide about 1000 square feet coverage cleaning with 1 full charge. Automatically return to charging base to recharge when in low battery. Easy operation and convenient maintaining. The robot floor vacuum with no Wi-Fi and app needed, just press the start button whenever you want it to clean, then the vacuum robot start working, avoid complicated connections issues. Quickly setting for everyday cleaning. Coming with multi-purpose cleaning tool, cleaning easily. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.